Serpent Survival here with a little different type of unboxing today. This is a package I got in the mail from John Tardy and the guys in Obituary. And if you don't know who that is, it's actually hands down one of my favorite 80s death metal bands. And they're still putting out albums to this day. Absolutely love them, and got to see them the night before I graduated. So that makes them that much more special. So let's get this open. So a shirt with the artwork for their newest album, Dying of Everything. Oh, this is cool. An Obituary windbreaker. VIP meet and greet pass. A band photo signed by John himself. He also sent a note. Thank you, John, and the other guys in Obituary. Make sure to go give them a listen if you haven't already.